Let's talk all about affiliate marketing. Now, this is a great strategy to add some passive income into your life that you can take advantage of and build month after month after month. Now, essentially, what affiliate marketing is you are attached to a larger body, be it a company or a product. And essentially, what's happening is you are getting performance-based marketing done. So with it, it's performance-based, which means the more people that you have to be clicking on these links and making purchases, the more you're going to be making out in the long run. It could be a variety of different amounts. For example, you might be attached to one marketing affiliation that pays you 10% every time somebody makes a purchase off of that website. And that's how it goes. So you are getting rewarded based on the amount of clicks and purchases that are being made through these links that you're generating for your audience. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you a little bit more about affiliate marketing and some strategies about how you can get it up and running right now today.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Barney with Profit Guru. I'm a teacher, mother of 3, and Amazon FBA seller. Here at Profit Guru, we're dedicated to trying strategies out and continually improving our own software to help other Amazon sellers just like you.
So let me start out by showing you my affiliate links. You'll notice that I have Tactical Arbitrage, Inventory Lab, Rakuten, Profit Guru, Seller Amp, and Amazon Associates. And the reason why I have these affiliate links is because these are the things that are in my niche. So that's something important to keep in mind right off the bat. You're not going to want to just advertise everything under the sun. You're going to have to, first off, build an audience. So if you plan on getting people to click your links and then making a profit off of these clicks, well, first you need an audience. There needs to be people who are clicking these links. So a few places that are good to build an audience: number 1, YouTube. Number 2, blogging. Blogging is a great place to do affiliate marketing. So you will pick a niche for your blog. Maybe it's cooking, maybe it's beauty, maybe it's marketing. Then you're going to have to write blogs on these topics, and within the blogs embed these different links. So for example, maybe you have a cooking blog, and in that blog you have a recipe that requires a certain tool that you need to make it. You would go to Amazon Associates, get an affiliation with them, and then that product that you want someone to buy, you would drop the link right there. So say it's a recipe involving fruit and they would need the citrus off of that. Well, not a lot of people have a zester for limes. So what you would do is you would then, after you would say how, hey, you need to zest a lime, include the link underneath where they can buy that lime zester, and then you would get a small portion from them making that sale. So that's what you first need to think about. Number 1, what's my niche going to be? I can't just be dropping affiliate links everywhere under the sun and expect people to click on them and make purchases. You're going to have a certain topic that you are specializing in and producing content on. So along with YouTube and blogs, another place would be Instagram. That's somewhere where you can also be advertising that certain topic that you are specializing in, promoting, and including your affiliate links there. So you'll notice that I don't have any links that have to do with anything that's outside of my niche. I don't want to just throw at my audience link after link after link. I only become an affiliate of different brands or companies that I actually use myself and want my audience to also use to gain value from. So keep that in mind. You're not just doing affiliate links to make all of these sales and get rich off of these sales. They're things that you're already going to be talking about with your audience. They're things that you use and you trust. And then because you use them and trust them, you are giving them to your audience to also want to use and trust because you trust them. So if you're in the same kind of niche as I am, these are all different programs that do offer affiliate links. So if you're talking about Tactical Arbitrage and you also want your viewers to try it out, then you would go to Tactical Arbitrage, affiliate link, Google it, and then you would create an affiliate account with them. Now for the Inventory Lab, that's a little different. That's on Share a Sale, and we'll get to that next. Rakuten Advertising, the code is right there to go and set up an affiliate link with. And then the other ones, you literally just run a Google search. So if I wanted to do Seller Amp affiliate, I would just go to Google and type in Seller Amp affiliate marketing. It'll be one of the first links that pops up, and you just fill out the application. They'll generate for you a unique link. And it really is that easy. That's what you're doing. You are going to establish these affiliations and promote things that are worth value to your audience to promote. So would I have an affiliate link with a beauty company? No, because I don't promote that. My audience isn't interested in that. I'm not interested in that. So keep that in mind. You're not going to want affiliate links that don't have anything to do with the sector that you're in. So for somebody new who you kind of don't really know what type of affiliate links you want to start promoting, ShareASale is a great place to first come to. It's super easy to sign up for, and there are a ton of different offerings there for a variety of services that you can start promoting. So if you come over here to the categories, you can see that there is pretty much everything under the sun. Accessories, art, automotive, business, clothing, family, food and drink, games and toys, literally everything. So think about a topic that you are interested in, something that you feel knowledgeable about and that you can provide value to an audience on. And then this is where you would come to start looking for products that fall within different topics that you want to talk about and then advertise to your audience. So you can see that not all affiliate programs are created equal. They vary pretty significantly. Now, right here, I can see goodmorning.com. It's a home and garden niche. Every time someone were to click on my affiliate link, I would get 5 to 10% per sale. Not great. Down here, Soul Guard Design, 10% per sale. So this is what you would want to look through. What looks to seem to provide the most back to you? Ritual, which is in the health, they give you 75% per sale. So that's really good. That's high. So before deciding which affiliate links you want to create, because again, you're not going to want to say you're in food and drink. You're not going to want to go and just have 696 links that you are like vomiting at your audience. You're going to want to have links for things that you've actually tried, things that you've used and that you trust, and then promote them. So maybe you want to start a travel blog. Maybe you're into traveling. Let's see what type of affiliate links you could start promoting. So what I would personally first do is go through and look at the offers that they are offering per sale. 5%, 8%, 6%, 6%. So once I find one that seems pretty valuable, then I'm going to actually have to use it. I can't just promote something that I'm not actually using myself. So Streamline Luggage. So when I click on it and scroll down, now I can read a little bit more about that merchant. Streamline Luggage brings elegance back to modern travel. We create luxurious luggage that lends ease and beauty to every mode of travel. So if I had a travel blog up and going, I would purchase my luggage from Streamline Luggage, maybe even incorporate YouTube into this and show my audience, look at this luggage that I got. I love it. Here's how I use it. But you're going to want to actually love it and use it. Again, you're not promoting things unless you actually like them yourselves. You're not just going to want to throw things at your audience, thing after thing after thing. You need to build trust with them so that they know you're not just using them for a sale. You're only promoting to them things that you're actually finding value in. But that's how you would do it. So if I wanted some luxurious luggage and I'm traveling a lot and I could start maybe a YouTube channel and a blog on that, then I would want to get this link. And every time my audience clicked on it and made a sale, I would get 10% of the sale that they purchased. It really is as easy as that. ShareASale is definitely one of the top places to go to find affiliate links, but they're not all of the affiliate links that exist. So what I like to do is think about something that I use in my niche, and then I will just run a Google search on it. So for example, IP Alert, that is something big that I need to promote to my audience. I need them to also know that you don't want to get an IP alert, and this is a software that can stop you from getting those IP complaints. In my case, there's not an IP program in ShareASale. So I would just go to Google and literally type in IP Alert Affiliate Program and search through that way. So if you have something in mind that you're using, maybe it's any company, any brand, something within any niche. If you don't see it on ShareASale, then just put it into Google and afterwards put affiliate marketing and then see if it comes up. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys to realize exactly what affiliate marketing is. You are not just getting every link you can under the sun and pushing it to your audience. You are picking a specific niche and finding a way to build an audience around that niche, and then promoting things that you're actually using and that your audience will actually want to use too, then profiting off of the sales that you get from promoting these products. So I hope this was very helpful for you to figure out just another way that you can get some passive income coming into your life. All right, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.